Hey guys, welcome back to another crafty tutorial. I'm Megan from meganplus5.com and you are on day 2 of my 30 days of ornaments. Now these are all the materials that you'll need, but I will put links in the description below for everything that I used. The first thing you want to add to the paintbrush is the hanger to hang it on the tree. So I just used some really thin ribbon and then I tied it in a knot and then I looped it through the hole that's in the paintbrush already, and then I secured it with a dab of hot glue. And because I want this to look like a gnome hat and not the shape of a paintbrush, I just kind of gauged it like the size that I needed, and then I added a little bit of extra and then I cut that piece. And then I just used my hot glue gun to start attaching it to the paintbrush. But you just want to be sure that you don't pull the felt really tight, because then it won't have the shape of a hat, it'll have the shape of the paintbrush. And then just trim away that extra and don't throw it away, because you're going to use that to place over the seam so it has a finished look. And then leave about 3/4 of an inch above the brush and trim the rest away. And then trim away anything extra that you have that would hang over or fold onto the other side, and then start gluing it down. And again, don't pull too tight because it will take on the shape of the brush and not the shape of a hat. And then fold the other side over and glue it down. And then use that same thin ribbon and tie off the top of the hat. And then I took that piece that I had cut off earlier and I just kind of trimmed it down and made it the same size as the seam that I have, and then I glued it over the top of the seam so that it had a nice finished look. And then I glued some decorative ribbon around the base of the hat. And of course, no gnome can be complete without a cute little button nose. So I just glued that right on there. I hope you enjoyed day 2 of my 30 days of DIY Christmas ornaments. If you have any questions at all, please leave them below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you never miss any of my crafty tutorials. And be sure to stop by meganplus5.com for even more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.